What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be doing the tutorial and also the performance of the lucky number 7 video. Alright, so let's get started with the performance. So first thing is called lucky number 7, so I need to find my lucky number 7. Right here. I like to use the 7 of spades, but I mean, we can use any. And then I'd say we cut the cards about right there, and then we're going to place the 7 on top, and we're good to go. So now I'm going to ask my spectator to please cut off about one third of the cards off the top of the deck. Perfect. And now of this remaining deck, I'm going to ask you to cut 2/3 of the cards. This one. Perfect. Alright, so now with these remaining cards, I'm going to give them a little shuffle and have my spectator pick a card.
Do I look at it?
Yes. Alright, so now we're going to place that card on the bottom of the deck here and put it on top there. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go through the deck and look for my lucky number 7. It's right there. So there's 4 7s in the deck, which means we're going to count 7 to 7 4 times, and that's going to help reveal your card. So including that card, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright. Now the final 7 is going to be with these 3 cards here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, and now for the tutorial of this lucky number 7 trick. So what you're going to do is you're going to start off and you're going to be looking for that number 7. Don't look for a particular number 7 because that might be, that'll mess up the trick. So while you're looking for your 7, you're going to count to 20 cards, not out loud, but secretly. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And hold your hand there so that, you can mark off where the 20 cards are. And then in the rest of the pack, look for the 7. So I'm going to go through and look for a 7. And whatever 7 you see that's not in this pack of 20, just use that 7. So you're going to pull out the 7 and then pretend like you didn't count the cards and be like, I'd say that's about enough, but that's your 20 cards. Place the 7 on top of there and then place the rest of the deck on top. From there, it's everything that I did in the performance of the video. So I'm going to have my spectator cut 1/3 of the cards off the top of the deck. And then I'm going to have them cut 2/3 of this deck. Alright, so with the remaining cards, by the way, your 7, you don't check it during the video, but your 7 should be in this middle pile, or else your spectator doesn't know what 1/3 and 2/3 of the cards are. So then you're going to shuffle these remaining cards, and then your spectator is going to tell you when to stop, and you're going to show them the bottom card. That's going to be their card that they're going to memorize. And then you're going to place that onto the far left pile and take the rest of the cards and put it on top. Alright, so from here you're going to go through and try to find your 7 that's face up in the deck and cut to it. Put the rest of the cards that were on top on the bottom. And then from here you're going to say to the audience, there's 4 7s in the deck, so we're going to count to 7 4 times. And that's going to help us to reveal your card. So make sure you include this card in the count of 7. So flip it over and include it in that count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then set aside the 7th card. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, so you're going to place the rest of the deck on top and do the final 7 with these 3 cards. All I was doing during the trick was pulling the top card off here and moving it to the bottom. There's lots of ways you can do this, but that's probably one of my favorite ways to do it, is just pull the top card off and count to 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then with the final card, that should be their card. Alright, so that has been the lucky number 7 performance and tutorial. I hope you like that trick, and if you really like it, you can go ahead and watch this video and practice it for our magic show on Friday. See you then.